Hey everyone, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. We are officially in holiday entertaining mode, so I partnered with my friends at Yves, who've sponsored this video, to help you whip up a plant-based spread that everyone is gonna love. If you're stumped on what to serve your plant-based guests this holiday, let me tell you something that tends to go over really well with pretty much everyone. Carbs. I am no vegan, but I definitely believe there's a lot of value to adding more plant-based meals to our usual routine. And carbs are the holiday king. I will pretty much always forgo the turkey, roast beef, ham, or other holiday beast in order to dig into a big bowl of creamy pasta soaked up with some crusty bread. So today I want to share with you my crowd-pleasing vegan creamy mushroom and caramelized onion pasta made extra meaty thanks to Yves' original veggie ground round. This meat swap tastes and feels just like meat, so it's 100% carnivore approved. But it's even easier to prepare, making it a really convenient source of protein for this hectic holiday season. And with this cream-free cream sauce, sweet caramelized onions, and hearty mushrooms, even the hardcore meat lovers at the buffet are not gonna be able to refuse. Let's do this. To make my sauce, I heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-low heat in a large skillet and add my sliced onions. Cook them until they reach a dark amber color, about 45 to 60 minutes. Next, I add in my mushrooms and cook until lightly browned, about 7 minutes. Next, I add in the Yves original veggie ground round, garlic, and thyme, and I saute until the garlic is fragrant and the veggie ground round is crumbled. Next, in a bowl, I mix together the almond milk and flour. Then I add that to the pan over medium heat. Allow the sauce to cook until it thickens, about 4 minutes. Then I pour in the almond creamer and season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Next, I cook my pasta according to the box directions. And then to make the crumb topping, I heat 2 teaspoons of oil over medium heat, along with the garlic and panko. Cook just until the panko starts to brown. To assemble the pasta, I add my pasta to the sauce and toss everything to coat. Serve it up topped with vegan Parmesan, garlic breadcrumbs, parsley, and thyme. Enjoy! So whether you got vegans at the holiday table or you're just trying to get a little bit more balance in your holiday menu, I'm sure this pasta dish is going to become an instant family favorite. Thank you again so much to Yves for sponsoring this video. If you loved it, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some of your family's favorite meatless holiday recipes. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!